Need help installing your Epson printer? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set up your Epson printer on Windows step by step. Let's get started. Before you begin, make sure your Epson printer is powered on, the ink cartridges are installed, paper is loaded, and your computer is connected to the internet. Open your web browser and visit Epson's official support page. Enter your printer model, choose your Windows version, and download the latest printer driver and software. Once the download finishes, open the installer. Accept the license agreement and follow the on-screen instructions. Choose either a wireless or USB connection, depending on how you'd like to use your printer. If you're connecting wirelessly, select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password when prompted. Wait while Windows detects your printer and completes the installation. Finally, print a test page to confirm everything is working correctly. If this tutorial helped you install your Epson printer, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more printer setup and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching!